Well, hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate. Make sure you subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post. Without further ado, let me get you right into this video. First and foremost, sorry about the angle, but the video you're about to see was filmed a few weeks ago. A lot has been changing in my life. Stay tuned for a life update and a new video coming soon. In today's video, I'm taking you through the process of filming for brands. Just had PR sent to me from YSL. I'm over the moon. I have another perfume like this that they gifted for me and my mom, so this one's mine. My mom's is over there, and I'm gonna be giving it to her tonight. Make sure to follow along also on TikTok and Instagram so that you don't miss that whole video, because I'm literally doing that today. Basically, I just wanted to take you behind the scenes and show you how the process unfolds. These are my favorite type of videos from the influencers I follow. I like to see their process. I like to see what it's like behind the scenes and how they come up with all these ideas and how they film and how they set it all up. Enjoy watching the video and I'll see you at the end. I look a little crazy. My hair is due to be highlighted literally next week. I also need to do my nail. That's all part of like the glow up process for filming. So I wanted to explain kind of how I go about this, because I know a lot of influencers skip over that part and don't share like the process of how filming works. It's not just like we could take a little video and be done. It's not like that. Unfortunately, it's not that easy. And I love the process. I literally romanticize the process. So that's why I wanted to take you along with it so that maybe you can try it out too. First things first, I need to do my nails. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go film a little bit of unboxing content, because I have a lot of PR downstairs that I need to like go through and film. We're gonna do some unboxing videos, some like aesthetic unboxing videos once the nails are done, because you know the nails are a big part of that. Once that's done, I need to film my makeup. I'm gonna just like put my hair back and I'm gonna do like a talk through get ready with me using the PR that I got from Milk Makeup. They sent me a whole box of goodies, so I'm really excited to use all the new stuff. Do a talk through version and an aesthetic version. The way that that's done is basically I just talk through each step while I take a moment to show it aesthetically as well and aesthetically apply it, so that I could create two different forms of videos from each time I do my makeup. Usually the aesthetic version is used for like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, whereas the talk through version is more for TikTok. Then I want to shift over and film my PR that was sent from Olaplex, which is so exciting, by the way. What? They sent me over the number 3, the number 4, and the number 5. So I'm gonna do like a little before shot and then showing how I like use each product and the after of it. After that, I actually have a collab going with Kodak, which is the camera company if you don't know. I have a collab with them for their like photo printer. So I'm gonna have to like look up a tutorial, unbox the thing. Like I am very excited to try that out. I just did my nails. I filmed it, so I'll show you right here. Kind of looks like a little bit lighter than I thought they would be. They look good in person. Also, I have my whitening strips and I will go downstairs and take some PR photos, some unboxing, filming now that my nails are done. Every time I film, I always put a bunch of jewelry on, but I just took the white strips off. A little fun fact for you guys, you watch like my makeup videos, I usually film like against this wall. I have to sit like completely crooked because of this ugly stairway. I live in a renovated like townhouse. We rent it, so we can't really touch the stairwell, but we did redo like all of these walls and stuff. But my makeup desk just happens to be like right here. So anytime I film my makeup, I literally have to do it right here. That's a little fun behind the scenes fact for you guys. Little update, I just did my makeup with all of the Milk products. I'm not lying when I tell you I'm utterly obsessed. Let me give you a really quick rundown of what they sent me. This was the box that all came in. I got the Hydro Grip Primer, which is this. I am already obsessed with this. This feels so good on my dry skin. It's very cooling. It's very hydrating. It's very gentle. This is like the one that went viral on TikTok. I get the hype now. And then we have the 2 lip and cheek balms. I used this color on both my lips and my cheek, and I tried out this dark purple one too. Blends out so good. So make sure to go follow me on TikTok so you don't miss that. I love these. Also have a new favorite mascara. This is huge because I take mascaras very seriously. This is like straight up metal. One of the nicest applicators and formulas I've ever used. And then lastly, they sent me Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. So like their setting spray. I mean, honestly, this seems really good so far. I don't really know my thoughts about it because I've only been wearing this makeup for literally like 5 minutes. I have to get back to you on that. I wanted to also update you guys that I did film like all of the PR that I needed to. As of right now, basic like little videos of unboxing things. The makeup is done. We have to go do the Olaplex thing, so let's go. This is the PR box that Olaplex sent over. So they gave me the number 3, 4, and 5. I guess the number 3 is a treatment you're supposed to get your hair damp first and then leave it in for like 10 minutes, then use the shampoo and conditioner. I have my light and my tripod here. I'm gonna go ahead and close this closet so that we have like an aesthetic spot. I think I'm gonna set up the tripod higher up and aim it towards this closet and kind of show a before of the back of my hair. I have the light kind of pointing at me there. I do have 2 of these lights. One of them is downstairs. I was using it to film the PR stuff. I only need 1 light for that and 1 light for this, so I just split them up for now. And then when it comes to the shower, I'm going to set the tripod somewhere here so that I could just get my hair in it. I also already own the blonde toning shampoo from Olaplex because I bought it myself, but I'm gonna put all of the shampoo and conditioner here and get like an aesthetic shot of that. Now that I kind of showed you that, I'm gonna go ahead and set it all up and then get like an aesthetic shot from behind as the before. I'm gonna have to get my hair wet and use the number 3 to leave it in for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna have to like set a 10-minute timer. Then I'm gonna have to rinse that out and then take like a full-on shower with the number 4 and 5. The hardest part of all of this is going to be setting up the angle for the shower. Only my hair in it. I turned my back to the camera. I'm sure I could just get like an upper back and like hair shot, if that makes sense. Just filmed the back of my head standing right here. The tripod and the light are right here pointing at it. And it honestly ended up being perfect. Okay, the deed is done. I filmed it, you guys. I think it turned out good. I'm gonna definitely have to cut some of the clips. The bathroom definitely did get wet, but it's fine now. I cleaned it up. Everything's good. We're letting my hair air dry. All I did was brush it out a little bit because I want to see the true result. Is it going to change my hair? We'll see. I'll update you. Good morning. I don't know why I'm stuck in an Australian accent this morning. I'm getting ready. Now I'm actually just doing a full face of makeup and I still have to glue on nails again because, by the way, the ones I did the other day literally like snapped off one by one at the gym. It's so irritating. It's like, hello, and it hurts, by the way. And I figured I would kind of take you along today and finish up the video. So I'm not filming my makeup routine today just because it's Ryan's birthday, actually, my fiance's birthday. And so I really just want to get the filming done that I need to. When it comes to doing makeup for filming, I usually go on the darker side just because on camera it doesn't look as crazy. So I'm just gonna make like a pretty dramatic eye look, make them pop. My idea so far is to set up the printer, which it already is, but set it up onto my desk, clean my desk off really nice. We don't want any of like Rudy's dog hair to be on my desk, which it probably is because it always is. Just want to make sure that it's like an aesthetic look because that's what I'm always going for, is like an aesthetic vibe. I want to make sure that we're giving like a clean look. The other day when I was filming and kind of walking you through it a little bit, I cleaned off my entire desk. I think that when I'm done like completely filming for this today, I will probably redecorate my desk because I love doing that once in a while. A moment of silence for the eyeliner, please. I'm going for like a really dragged out dramatic look. Welcome to the bathroom. I have my makeup done and then I have a cute little outfit on. Let me lower you. This whole outfit is actually Aerie / American Eagle. I just got this little like bra top. I thought it was so cute. I love black and white. It's very rich looking. And then I have Aerie flare leggings on. They're so cute. They're so comfy. And then just this like really cute soft cardigan from American Eagle. And I just threw on my favorite jewelry. I'm about to throw some curls in my hair. Just gonna prep my hair with the Bumble and Bumble. This is the UV Invisible Oil Primer Spray. I swear by the brands for hair: Bumble and Bumble, Moroccan Oil, Amika, and Olaplex. I literally just take it and I curl it, you know? And I'm just gonna do that to like the whole head. Let's zhuzh this up and spray her. I really like that. It's very voluminous, a messy curl. I'm gonna do my nails off camera so I can get them done quicker, and then we are going to go film. Nails are on, and these are like one of my favorite kinds of the Kiss like medium length French tip. This is the box right here. I talked about this in my nails video. Anyway, I want to take you downstairs. We're gonna set up the filming area. I'm gonna show you the behind the scenes, and then we're going to film, and get on with the day. Welcome to my office. This is the Kodak printer. This is one of the boxes it came in. There's like a whole pile of boxes actually. This thing is really cool. Honestly, we tested out some photos and they turned out really, really nice. Like high quality, nice photos. Came with a really nice carrying case. The bag has like a nice little strap. It's very like high quality and it can like hold a bunch of stuff and it straps in like that. These are the ink cartridges that it came with. One's already in it. These are like the photo paper and one of the packs is already in there too. Also came with this little booklet that you can like put photos in, which is really sweet. And then some other accessories too, like these magnets and this little keychain, some more magnets, one of those like acrylic photo holder thing. Ryan just hung up my diploma, which is one of my lights. The other light is upstairs right now. The sun is shining through the windows a little bit, so we do have some natural light moment going on. Let's get started. Okay, we've been filming for Kodak for quite a while now. I've been printing a lot of photos, getting a lot of different angles, things like that. I'm creating like a lot of different versions of similar videos basically, but I decided to do a little bit of a vision board. So we went to the Dollar Tree just now and got a foam board and some adhesive spray glue. And we're gonna run an errand because it is Ryan's birthday and he wants to go to Best Buy, so we're gonna do that. And then we're going to go back home, film the rest of the Kodak content. If you made it this far, I love you so much. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed that whole process. I love seeing people's process and I feel like a lot of influencers don't share the behind the scenes enough to where you could like grow and replicate and do the same things for yourself. I know a lot of smaller influencers watch bigger influencers to see how they get through the process, how they've gotten to where they are right now. When I grow to a certain point, I will definitely share some influencer tips. I recently hit 1,000 on TikTok. I'm at 10K on Instagram. Here we've been growing like wildfire, so I'm very excited. I hit 1,000 subscribers not too long ago. I am so happy for all of you that are here, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being here and supporting. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you want to see next from me. I have a lot of fun videos coming up soon and a life update will be coming very soon. And I promise I will be so much more consistent because life has been very like crazy for me lately. Love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on the other platforms. All of the links that you will need is down below and I love you guys. See you in the next video.